Well, just with the little fan clutch and the water pump, that shit looks a lot better. The 13? So we got the Silverado up in the air. It turns out this motherfucker has, what is it, a freeze plug? Yeah. What are you doing with the freaking wrench? Get a socket, dude. Just another day at work. We're back with the 90 Cheyenne. We just finished putting a freeze plug that was leaking. Right now we're just putting the little last finishing touches on it. Now we're gonna see how it runs. Right now we're just trying to get this stupid cover on. Go for it. Ready? Go on, do the honors. Let's see if this shit turns on. Woo! Hell yeah. So far, no leak so far. So far, so good. Little 4.3 with a little MagnaFlow exhaust.